Welcome to EduPom EdTech. You're watching Expert Chemistry Lectures with Abhinav Kaur. Today in this lecture, we will study second colligative property, which is elevation in boiling point. So students, what is boiling point? We know that when vapor pressure of any liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure, then boiling takes place. And the temperature at which the vapor pressure of any liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure, that temperature is called as boiling temperature or boiling point. So now let's study elevation in boiling point. Let us assume that T naught B is the boiling point of pure solvent. It is the boiling point for pure solvent. Now, let's say when solute is added to the solvent, that means when solution is formed, then let's say the new temperature, the new boiling temperature or the new boiling point is TB. Experimentally, we have found that when solute is added to a solvent, then vapor pressure decreases and the boiling point increases. So if boiling point is getting increased, so the change in boiling point, which is represented as del TB, will be equal to the new boiling point minus the initial boiling point. That means delta TB will be equal to TB minus T naught B. Now we have found that delta TB is directly proportional to the molar concentration, where the molar concentration for any dilute solution can be given as W2 multiplied by M1 upon W1 multiplied by M2, where we already studied that M1 and M2 are the molar masses, whereas W1 and W2 are the masses of solute and solvent. Okay, one is for solvent while 2 is for solute. Okay, W represent the mass, whereas M represent the molar mass. If we remove the sign of proportionality, we get a constant which is Kb. So del Tb is equal to Kb W2 multiplied by M1 upon W1 multiplied by M2. So this is the formula using which we can calculate any of the following. That means we can calculate W2, we can calculate W1, we can calculate M1, we can calculate M2, as well as we can also calculate delta TB. Now here Kb is a constant which has three different names. The first name is boiling point elevation constant. The names are important. So the first name is boiling point elevation constant, and the second name is molar elevation constant. The third name for this is ebullioscopic constant. EBULLIOSCOPIC, ebullioscopic constant. And the unit for Kb is Kelvin kilogram per mole. So the unit is very important. Please pay extra attention to the unit as well as the three names for this constant. Thank you.